Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Bree, back again with another video. So I have not filmed a video in forever and I'm so sorry. I say that in every video, but I swear this time is different. I'm actually going to be showing you guys my little go-to glam. So this is the glam that I wear for every one of my pictures, all of my Instagram pictures, all my Snapchat pictures, all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Before we continue on, do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to be doing way more videos now. So comment down any video ideas you have below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So for the first part of this video, the background noise is going to be a little loud because it is so hot. Like, if you guys live in the Inland Empire, you know that it's like 1,000 degrees right now. I always do like the same type of hairstyle, so I'm gonna just brush through my hair. My brush is disgusting. Sorry, don't mind me. Who let her have a dirty brush? I always use the wet brush, so I'm just gonna be spraying some Dove Smooth and Shine Heat Protectant Spray. I grab like a section like that, and then I just like twist it. It looks like that at first, but like once they fall, like it all looks nice. Again, I'll just wrap it around the barrel like that. Fast forward, starting now. This one is like by L'Oreal. It's not good or anything, like it's not amazing. I just like how it smells. Just spray all of them. So real cute, you know, you can style it like behind your ear. I do my eyebrows off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so for the face, I already primed using the PIXI Rose Flash Balm, Benefit POREFESSIONAL, and then of course spraying BADESCU. So lately I've been doing my face first before like my eyes. So for foundation, I'm gonna be mixing these two. This has been my all-time favorite foundation. Like if y'all have not tried it, it's the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, the Super Stay Foundation. The only reason why I'm mixing them is because I love this foundation. Like I love it so much, but it's too light for me right now. I'm like super tan. I don't know if y'all can tell. So I'm gonna mix it with this one. This one's super tan, so I have to mix these two. Like 1.5 pumps of the Maybelline, like 3 pumps of the NARS. So what I do is I warm it up on my face. And I'm just blending the edges with a brush. I hate when my lips have foundation. So now I'm gonna be going in with concealer. So I'm gonna just be taking a little bit of the Infallible Glow Concealer, kind of like just right here. I'm gonna be taking the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer. Here, because I used it earlier. Oh, kind of put a lot, but it's okay. Start blending out these areas first. And then while that's drying, my loose powder that I've been using lately is actually the Maybelline Fit Me powder. Like, who knew this was bomb? So I use the shade Fair Light. It's shade 10. And I use this for my under eyes only. And like wherever I need brightness, that's where I'll apply this. What I do is I press in the powder like that. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I use this shade Deep, the Deep Bronzer one. And it smells so good, like, oh my god. Like, if y'all could smell this through there. So I'm just using like a small little brush like that. And I go pretty heavy with my bronzer, so just start it back here. And then do little circular motions, turning in this way so your face could look snatched. I feel like it's been forever since I filmed a video, but I want to restart my whole channel. Like, I want this to be the new and improved channel, so let me know if I should delete like all my old videos, because like my old videos are so cringy. Like, I was not comfortable with myself at all. Like, now I feel so much more confident in myself. So I was just not in like a good place in those videos. Like I obviously did want to do YouTube, but I just wasn't happy, I wasn't content. So like you could kind of tell in my videos, like I am not very like my true self in those. Like if you know, you know. But yeah, I want to restart on my channel, and I want to do more like no, if I crack that, I'm gonna be so bad. She's alive. Like I said, I want to restart it because since like this time last year, so much has happened. Like so much. Like I've dyed my hair like 5 times, I've cut my hair, I got piercings, I got a tattoo. I want to bring out like a lot of content. Like I want to do like challenges, I want to do like vlogs, I want to do like just a lot of different videos, like fashion videos, beauty videos, and stuff like that. So that's why I want to restart. Blush, I always take this one and this one right here. They're from the BALM. It's BALM Desert and BALM Springs. And then I smile and put it all right here. I feel like blush does so much. Like I love blush. I'm gonna snatch my nose off of camera really quick, and I'll be back because I need a break. Your girl dying. It's very hot in here. So I already snatched my nose off the camera or whatever. For the eyes, for my go-to Instagram glam, I always be using the Soft Glam palette. Like if you guys do not have this palette in your life, you need it. Like look at these colors, like they are so beautiful. So I'm gonna be taking Orange Soda, which is this one right here, on a Morphe M441 brush. I just place it like everywhere because this is our first transition shade. As long as it's like noticeable, like right here, right at like the arch of your brow, like you should be good. I'm gonna be taking Burnt Orange, which is this one right here, like right here in the outer, and then slightly into the crease. I'm gonna be taking Sienna, which is this shade right here. So you want to keep it just on the outer corner. Okay, and then just to deepen up the look a little tiny bit, I'm gonna take Rustic, which is this nice brown shade, and I'm just taking a little tiny bit. I'm gonna add it to that. Okay. So PIXI Beauty sent me over this box, and it has their new products in it. So these are highlighters for your face. So I'm gonna be trying out these, and then I've been obsessed with these, so I've been already using these. My favorite one that I'm gonna be using is the rose gold one. So these are dupes for the Stila Magnificent Metal Stain, and if y'all know me, y'all know that I was obsessed with those. So these are really bomb. So it's super cute. I just wanted to show and say thank you so much for PIXI for sending me over these to try because I'm obsessed. We're gonna be using the Liquid Fairy Lights in rose gold. The thing I like about it is it's kind of like a lip gloss applicator. It's really easy to apply because you literally just like swipe it on. So and I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna just be lining the inside of my waterline with some brown eyeliner. This is the MBM Chroma Paint in brown. I haven't even tried this one yet, but I'm gonna be trying it out today. This is the one in Subtle Sunrise. So this is what they look like. Let me just swatch it really quick. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna be spraying my face with some Fix Plus. Oh wow, she bomb, she bomb. Always smile and add it right here. I'm gonna just be taking a tiny little brush like this. This is the Makeup Shack T63. I'm gonna just start with Burnt Orange, and then I'm gonna be taking Sienna. For lashes today, I'm gonna be using Coco lashes in the style 5th Ave. They look like this, but I don't have the box, so that's why I'm not showing y'all. I'm gonna just take some Duo. While I wait for that Duo to dry, I'm gonna be lining the top of my lash line with the PIXI liner. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just love PIXI. Okay, now that that's all lined, I'm gonna be taking the PIXI mascara, large lash mascara. I always put on mascara before I put on my lashes. The that's how it looks with lashes on. I'm sweating. My back is wet. For my go-to lip combo for Instagram, I use the ILUVSARAHI X ColourPop Curvy Lip Liner. Y'all can tell that it's super loved. I'm obsessed with glosses now. Like, I never thought that I would be over like matte lips and stuff. My favorite gloss is, of course, the ILUVSARAHI one as well. But one time I couldn't find it, and then so I started using this one, and I became obsessed again. I always used to use this one, but I would use it by itself. But now, like, now she educated or whatever about makeup. So I use it with the dark lip liner. This is the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Undressed Lip Gloss. So I start off by applying it in the center. I do it in the center first, and then like I just go like that. So that's pretty much it for my Instagram go-to glam hair and makeup. So if you guys ever see me on Instagram or Twitter or like Snapchat, this is the makeup I'm wearing. So super glam, super cute, super simple. So hopefully you guys like this video. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wife, yeah. I be with a boss, be judging from my vibe.